In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Notion plan. If you're looking to make changes to your Notion subscription but don't quite know where to start, you've come to the right place. We'll guide you through the process, ensuring you can easily navigate the steps required to cancel your plan. Whether you're switching to another service, simply need to reduce costs, or no longer require the paid features, this tutorial will simplify the process for you. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open up Notion and head on over to the settings. To do this, find the Settings and Members option on your sidebar. This is your main control center for managing various aspects of your account and workspace. Entering the settings area is a crucial first step, as this is where all subscription and billing information is kept. If you're already familiar with the layout of Notion, this should be pretty straightforward. Once you're in the Settings and Members section, the next thing you'll want to do is locate the Plans section. This option directs you to the area where all the details of your current subscription are displayed. By clicking on Plans, you bring up a comprehensive overview of your current plan details, including the type of subscription you have, the features you are currently paying for, and any billing cycles associated with your account. This is essential to not only manage your plan, but to ensure you understand what you're opting out of. Now, with the Plans section open, move forward by selecting the Cancel Plan option. This is a pivotal step. It's the point where you actively initiate the cancellation process. The platform is designed to ensure that users have the control to opt out when they need to, so simply locating and clicking Cancel Plan is user-friendly and straightforward. Keep in mind that clicking Cancel Plan is just initiating the process. Nothing is finalized until you confirm the next step. Finally, once you've chosen to cancel, you'll be prompted to confirm your decision. This is a common safeguard to prevent accidental cancellations, allowing you to rethink your choice, if necessary. Confirming the cancellation will revert your account back to the free version of Notion. This includes the retention of basic functionalities while removing any additional features associated with paid plans. It's also useful to know that you can upgrade again in the future should your needs change. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully managed to cancel your Notion plan. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I encourage you to reach out if you have any further questions. Remember, the aim is to make your transition as smooth as possible, ensuring you can continue to use Notion in the way that best suits your needs. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.